guys, it's Eileen, and today I want to make for you a Halloween wreath. So before we get into this, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. It's never too early to be ready for Halloween, especially when the stuff is out. You could just get it on done, put it away, and when Halloween comes, just put your stuff out and simple. So much easier than stressing out, what am I going to do, and all of that. So I'm glad that it came early and I got my wreath done, and I'm so happy with its finished product. So for this project, we're going to be using all Dollar Tree items. I picked up this wreath. This is a 14-inch wreath from the Dollar Tree. I actually realized I need to pick up a few more because I only have one left in my stash. I also picked up 2 of these black decorative mesh, and these are 6 inches by 5 yards. So I got 2 in black, and I also got 2 in orange. And then I picked up this mesh tubing in purple. I also picked up, to accent off somewhere, these spiders that I'm going to throw on at the end. So let's get into this. So I'm not really positive how I'm going to use this mesh tubing, but I'm definitely going to use it, but I'm just going to set it aside for now. And the first step is to get some wire or some string, and basically you are going to tie it up into here and attach it to your wreath. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to alternate the orange and the black, so let's attach them to our wreath. I got an audience here. Everybody's watching anxiously. So you're just going to pick any old place on your wreath to attach your ribbon or mesh or whatever fabric you are using. I'm going to attach one in orange and one in black. So you could make it as tight as you want it, as fluffy as you want it. You could fold it in half a little. I'm going to sort of fold it, and you're going to start making little loops. So the loop is going to look something like that, and then you're going to push it through. I'm going to put this in half first, and then I'm going to start making the loop, and you just simply do that, and then you're going to smush it through the first set of wire. So you see here it has, from here, there's 1, 2, and 3 spots. So I'm going to put the orange in number 1, and then I'm going to do the same with the black in number 2. It will start looking like something after you kind of finish the first area from this point to this point. And when you are finished, you could fluff these up a little more, bunch them together more, so you don't have to worry about it being perfect as you're going along, because you're going to fix them at the end. First I'm doing orange, then black, and then orange again. So it's a little tedious, but it's starting to come along, and once you get into a rhythm, it starts to go a bit faster. I have not made a wreath in a while, so just trying, and this meshy stuff is a little hard to work with. So if it's your first wreath, I wouldn't pick one of these tool-like meshy ones. I would get a smooth type of ribbon, just because this gets caught on itself, so it makes it a little harder. So I did decide here to start orange, black, orange, black, and I'm going to continue along my pattern. I'm definitely going to run out, so I'm going to have to go back to the Dollar Tree because I'm almost done with 2, so I'm going to definitely need to pick up some more. When you get to the end of your roll, you're just going to reattach your new roll using that wire or a little string. Whatever you have on hand will work just fine, so that it continues on as one large strip. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to add on my black and my orange, keep on going, and then when I run out, I'm going to run out to the Dollar Tree and see how many more rolls I need. So I'm going to keep going. So I am moving along, and honestly 2 rows take 1 of each color. So I did just run out and I had to pick up another roll of orange and another roll of black. You will need 6 rolls in total of this decorative mesh. I'm using 3 orange and 3 black, and I'm continuing along. It's coming out really cute, and I'm just gonna keep on going right now. So yeah, I did have to run back out to the Dollar Tree. I did realize that you were gonna need 6 rolls in total to do this wreath. So I went and had picked up a roll of black and another roll of orange, and I'm just continuing to make my loops and put it through my wreath. And while I was there, I was also able to pick up a couple more wreaths. Like I said, I wanted to stock up. I really enjoy redecorating the door with a new wreath for the different holidays or seasons. So yeah, I picked up 2 more wreaths, and I also picked up a package of something else to decorate the wreath with, because I'm just still figuring out what exactly it is I'm doing here, but I'm going to show you guys, and it's coming out fabulous so far. This is a great way to make your own one-of-a-kind decorations on a budget. This only cost me $7, $8, $9, $10 for this wreath, and I kid you not, if you go to Michael's and you don't have a coupon, it's going to be like near $10 to get just the plain metal wreath. You guys could do whatever pattern you want. You could do 1 color, you could do 12 colors. I just thought this would look cool, and this is my first Halloween wreath, so I could always make more for sure and switch it up every other year. Who knows? This stuff gets caught together. This is a disaster. So yeah, if it is your first time making a wreath, for sure, just go along using the smooth kind of ribbon or something, because this kind that is like netting just gets tangled up on each other and itself. I'm just gonna keep going along with my pattern. I'm almost there, guys. This part of the ribbon is now done. I told you I had to run back out, so I picked up the witch hat picks. They came 3 in a pack for $1, and I'm going to add these to my project. So I'm going to go and straighten out all of my loops now and make them look like all proper and all fluffy, and then I'm going to be back and I'm going to show you how I decorated with my final finishing touches. I basically folded my purple tubing in half 4 times, and when I got to the end, I wrapped some wire around it just to secure it and stick it in my wreath in between certain sections just to get that pop of purple color. So I have attached my witch's hats and my little, well, not so little spiders. So I thought it would be cute to use my witch's feet, and I'm going to just take them off this circle ring and I'm going to attach them like little feet. And that is going to be my final touch on this Halloween wreath. So my Halloween wreath is done. This was a fun project. It was a little tricky with the mesh because, like I said, it gets stuck on itself. It's just the nature of that material. But I think it came out fabulous, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this little wreath DIY. If you did, please comment down below. Don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.